Now it's time to get into the rules of this strategy. For buying rules, you need the following to happen. First, we need to make sure that we are above the EMA. Then we will need the price to be above the blue trend line. Next, we have to wait for there to be an orange arrow pointing up to signal. And last, the QQE mod has to be in the positive. Once we find a candle that meets all these requirements, then we place the trade at the candle close. For the stop loss and take profit, you're looking to put your stop loss at the low, and we are looking for a 2-to-1 risk to reward. So this trade would have been a really great trade to take. Now it's time to get into the selling rules of this strategy. For sell rules, we need to make sure that we are below the EMA. Then we will need the price to be below the red trend line. Next, we have to wait for there to be an orange arrow pointing down to signal. And last, the QQE mod has to be in the negative. Once we find a candle that meets all these requirements, then we place the trade at the candle close. For the stop loss and take profit, you're looking to put your stop loss at the high, and we are looking for a 2-to-1 risk to reward. So this trade would have been a really great trade to take. It's now time to add the SSL hybrid made by Mickle00. So make sure you type that into the search and then click it to add it to your chart. First, we will make the indicator look a little bit more clean by going to the style and taking off the candle size. Then we will turn the exit arrows colors to orange for the up and down settings. And then we will turn off the SSL2 as well as both of the ATR labels off. As you guys can see here, this is a live trade that I took, so if you're interested in learning how to make profits like this, pay attention. I am offering a discount and promotion on my trading course. Not only will you get my training course, but you will get a free one-on-one call with me, all for just $100. So join the Discord or the Telegram group and message me there if you're interested, or use the sign-up form and I'll get back to you. All of this is in the description box. Now we will go to the Inputs tab and change the input settings. We will be changing the SSL1 baseline length to 150. Once we are all done, then we will hit OK. Next, we will be adding the QQE mod by Mickle00. So make sure the indicators window is open, and type in QQE mod and add it to your chart. Let's clean up the QQE mod by going to the style settings. Once you are there, you can remove the QQE line. Now that the style is done, make your way over to the Inputs tab. Now in the Inputs tab, we will change the second RSI length to 7. We are now done with the settings, so we can hit OK. And now it is time to add the EMA. Type EMA into the search and select Moving Average Exponential under Technicals. Now that it is added, it is time to change the style settings. Let's change the line thickness by clicking on the color, then click on the third line thickness. If you guys would like free crypto entry and exit signals, like this one right here, or this one that could have landed you 700% gains, pay attention. In the description box, sub to my cryptocurrency YouTube channel, where I'll be giving my free entry and exit signals for cryptocurrency assets that are on Bybit, once it reaches 500 subscribers. While you're down there, sign up to Bybit using my link and get up to $4,000 for free if you deposit and start trading. Bybit is where we are going to be placing our trades, so you might as well get free money to trade with. Now we change the input settings in the Input tab. For the settings of the indicator, we will first change the length to 300. And now that we are done, we will click OK. If you watched this video all the way through, then consider yourself extremely lucky. This strategy is possibly something that will be able to change your life forever and make you tons of money. The reason I say that is because the creator of this strategy says that it is supposed to have a 90% or more win rate when using the strategy. To verify these claims, I am going to do a back test of this strategy 200 times, so we can see what the real results are. Okay everybody, here are the results that you have been waiting for. As you guys can see here, we did a 1% risk with a 2-to-1 risk to reward and tested it 200 times. Out of the 200 trades, there was 118 winning trades and 82 losing trades, which gives it a win rate of 59%. Also, as you can see here, the total gain on the account was 353%, and you can also see the equity curve graph right here as well. If you guys would like this backtesting sheet, make sure you go in the description box and sign up to Bybit. Once you do, make sure you deposit, then message me on Discord, Telegram or email, and I will send it to you. Before we go, I wanted to let you guys know, I have built a trading bot software that backtests the types of strategies you see on YouTube. Once it finds the most profitable strategy and the best settings for that strategy, the trading bot automatically takes the trades. As you can see here, this strategy has a gains of 1,527% after being tested over 800 times, so with all those tests you can know, for sure, that this strategy is legit. We will open this up to the public very soon, so make sure you either join the Discord or the Telegram group, so you can stay up to date, or you can sign up to the Google form so you can get updated via email. All the links are in the description box below.